States of matter. Our learning target today is for you to be able to describe the states of matter and to be able to explain how the physical changes in the state of water are due to temperature changes. So, matter exists in three different forms. Solids have tightly packed molecules with a definite shape and a definite volume. Liquids have molecules that are spread out and slide past each other with a fixed volume but no fixed shape. Liquids take the shape of their container. For example, milk in a gallon jug is going to take the shape of the container. Gases have freely moving molecules with no fixed volume or fixed shape. Gases will fill a container no matter what shape it is. Matter can also change states. Boiling and melting points are both properties of matter. Matter can change state if you add or remove heat to change the temperature. Adding heat can change a solid into a liquid or a gas. For example, adding heat turns ice into steam. When we add heat, energy is being added to that state of matter. Removing heat can turn a liquid into a solid. For example, water expands when it cools and turns into a solid piece of ice. When we cool something down, energy is being removed. So that's a quick mini lesson review of what we learned during our physical science unit on the states of matter. For your assignment today, you only have two slides to do. The first is a vocabulary slide. You're going to drag the definition to the correct phase of matter. And on slide 2, you are going to sort the different materials by dragging them into the correct category, identifying them as either a gas, liquid, or a solid. Tomorrow, you're going to do the changes in phases of matter. You are going to identify which state of matter is the result for each scenario below. For example, on the very first one, it says you heat water on the stove. Some of it changes from a liquid into, well, let's think about that. If I'm boiling a pot of water, the water is going to turn into a gas. So I would drag gas up to that box. And the last thing you're going to do for tomorrow's lesson is fill in the blank for each sentence below. And that just goes along with your mini lesson, so you can rewatch it if you want. And that will take you through days 14 and 15. And on Wednesday, we will talk about the physical and chemical changes. Good luck.